Hi there. Do you know what I'm going to share with you? First of all, I have collected some logos from Google. Let's check out. I hope you have understood what I will teach you in this tutorial. I will show you how to create a bold, eye-catching Laurel Wreath Vector, perfect for logos, badges, and more. Let's get started. First of all, I have to create a shape of a leaf. So go to the left toolbar, long press on the rectangle tool and select from here ellipse. Now draw a shape look like a leaf. Okay, it's perfect. Now click on the fill color and select color black and stroke color will be none. Go to the left toolbar and take from here direct selection tool. Select the top point and go to the properties panel and click on the convert. Now again select the bottom point and click on the convert. Now I have to make a copy of the shape. It might be need us. So hold down Alt key and drag it, make a copy, and I will make it be smaller. So hold down Alt and Shift and drag it. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, now select the shape and right click and then transform. Then select rotate. I need to rotate the leaf. So click on the rotate and keep the angle 45 degree. Now click OK. Again select and right click, then transform, choose from here reflect. Now I need to reflect the shape of the leaf. So keep it vertical and angle 90 degree. It's perfect and click on the copy. Now drag it. I will keep the, I think it's look good. Now select all and right click, then choose group. Now make it smaller. So hold down Shift and Alt and drag it. Okay. Now select and go to the effect, then distort and transform, then choose transform. Okay. Now you will find out here scale, movement or move, rotate and options. First of all, I have to work with move. Decrease the value of vertical of move and you will find out here is the preview and now adjust it. Okay, I think this is the best. And now I have to create multiple copy. So create on the copies and keep it 17 and then go to the scale and horizontal and then decrease. Okay, now vertical and decrease it. I think this is the good. Now click on the OK. After that, go to the object and then expand appearance. Okay, now drag it and I have to make it smaller. So hold down Alt and Shift, drag it and select both and to go to the properties panel and align, click on the middle align. Okay, now right click and make it group. Now I have to draw a line beside the laurel shape. Okay, now go to the left toolbar and choose from here line segment. Now draw a line, hold down Shift and click on the stroke color, keep it black and stroke will be 5 and click on the stroke and then profile and now direction. Okay, left to right direction and we need to flip the direction. So click here to flip the direction and this is perfect. Go to the object, click on the expand appearance and select both and right click. Sorry, before doing this, select both and I need to alignment. So align, middle align and then top align. Okay, now right click and then group. After that, we can merge it. Go to the Pathfinder and click on the merge. Okay, everything is done. Now we need to make a brush. So go to the window and choose from here brushes. Now you will find out here brush icon, new brush icon. So I will create a new brush icon. Before doing this, I have to make sure that the subject is selected and then click on the new brush icon. Okay. Now you have to choose from here art brush and this and then okay. Now you can play with this direction. I will keep it default and you have to make sure that the stretch to fit stroke length is checked and then okay. Now here is the brush of the shape, Laurel shape. So now go to the left toolbar and select from here ellipse tool and draw a circle. Hold down shift and alt to make it perfect. Okay. Now drag it here and I have to click on the fill color and then it will be none. Then stroke will be none and choose direct selection and select the point and press D from your keyboard to delete. And then I will crop here from here. So I need to take a scissor from left toolbar. I can press C from my keyboard to take the scissor. Okay, now click here, just one click, and then selection tool, then delete. Okay, now here is the line, and now it will be the shortcut to use of brush. Now click on the brush, and this is perfect. And we can change the direction of this laurel. So select the laurel and double click on the brush and now play with the direction. Okay, and then apply to strokes and then direction changed. Now select the laurel and right click and then uh, transform, then reflect and then copy and drag it. Okay, this is perfect. Now you can use this, make your logos, badges and any more. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.